And we're in the back fab bay. We got a Tempty trailer here that Dale Smergy's replacing the bottom rail on. Just wanted to give you guys a glance of what he does. So he's got the old one laying on the ground he removed last week. It was damaged in an accident, Dale? Damaged in an accident. So he's going through and drilling his holes and remounting this new bottom rail here. It's kind of an intricate task. A lot of work involved on these bottom rails. This is the second or third one he's done. This one just so happens to be on a Tempty trailer. He's done one on a Stoughton not too long ago. But now he's in the process of drilling the holes. He's going to batter all the rivets, fasten that bottom rail, and try to get it finished up. But there he is. He don't want to be on camera, but that's Dale. He's a trailer guru. This is just another project we do here at Rollin' Truck that maybe not a lot of people know about. So just wanted to get it out there and let everybody know what we do. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Rollin' Truck, 937-548-4200. Let us fix all your trailer needs. Thank you and have a blessed day.